And focus. All right, how's it going, everyone? So we're going to be talking about multiplying by multiples of 10. So this hopefully is a very short and quick video, just to give you a quick little explanation on how to multiply by using multiples of 10. So let's start with a problem that we can do pretty basically. So we are going to start with, let's start with a question like this. So if you know that 3 times 7 equals 21, can you find three times 700? Okay, well, some of you might be looking at this, but well, of course, yeah, it seems pretty easy. But let's try this a long way, and I'll show you a quick shortcut. So the long way would look something like this. So I'm going to just set up a basic multiplication problem. You've probably seen something like this, where, all right, so now we do 3 times 0, and 3 times 0 is 0, and 3 times 0 would be another 0, and then we take 3 times 7, and that would be 21. And so my answer is 2,100 would be the answer to, or the product of 703. So there's an easier way to do this and a shortcut way that I want to show you guys. So I'm going to set up the same problem, and I'm going to show you my little trick. So 3, so you're going to find 3 times 700. Well, I already know, so I'm going to take a look, and I'm noticing something about this 700, is that there's a 0 here and a 0 there. Okay, so, but I know 3 times 7, but I might not know 3 times 700. That seems a little bit big. But here's my trick, is so you take 3 and you times it by 7, and you get 21. And then all you have to do is count how many zeros there are. So there's 1, 2 zeros. And so you're going to put those 2 zeros down there. So that is my answer, just like that. So 3 times 7 is 21, but 3 times 700, because there's 2 zeros, is 2,100, and you put those 2 zeros right here. So let me give you another example. So a second example would be, let's try a little bit harder. Let's do, what is 4,000 times 900? Whoa, those are some big numbers. But I'm going to show you a quick little shortcut. Again, so I'm going to take a look and notice something. Well, there's a lot of zeros here, and I'm just going to count up the zeros. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 zeros. And so 4 times 9, I know from my multiplication tables, equals 36. And so now for 4,000 times 900, I'm just going to put those zeros after my 36. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put my 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to put my little place value commas here. So 4,000 times 900 is 3,600,000. Okay, so that's a real quick way to multiply numbers with zeros in the end. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully this strategy helps you multiply some pretty big numbers and with multiples of 10. All right, I'll check you guys later.